Hi, today I'm going to show you how to embed your lovable AI app in WordPress website. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to WordPress, click on Pages and select the page where you want to add your lovable AI app. Now, after selecting the page, you can click on Edit under that page. For example, I will choose this one. Now, after clicking Edit, it will take you to that page. Here, what you'll have to simply do is click on the plus icon at the top left. Now, scroll down and search for columns. After selecting columns, choose 100. Now, click on plus icon and search for custom HTML. Now, navigate back to Lovable, scroll down, choose the app that you're working on and want to embed in your WordPress. Now, click on publish and simply copy this website address that you have for your app. Now, navigate back here, but before that, what you'll have to do is simply paste this code in the HTML section that we previously made. So, I will add the link of this code in the description of this video. Simply copy this code, paste it here, and what you'll have to do is navigate to the lovable app link, click on publish icon and copy this link, navigate back here, and just after iframe src there will be a star that you'll have to replace with the link that you just got from Lovable. Now after doing this, just click on save and you would have successfully embedded your Lovable AI app in WordPress website. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.